sang their morning song. 5 little ducks went splash, splash, splash. Tiny feet made a watery crash. They flapped their wings and laughed with cheer. The pond was full of joy and cheer. 4 little ducks swam round and round, making bubbles silly sound. 1 duck drifted far away. Mommy duck called, quack, quack, come and play. 3 little ducks splashed near the shore, jumping high and asking for more. They chased a frog and tickled a fish. Swimming fast was their favorite wish. 2 little ducks slid on a leaf. Giggles sounded short and brief. Splashy water, feathers wet. They were the happiest ducks you met. 1 little duck was all alone, floating softly like a stone. He missed his friends and mommy too, so he quacked loud, quack, quack, boo-hoo. Mommy duck called 1 more time. Her gentle voice was sweet like rhyme. Quack, quack, quack across the pond. Her loving call was strong and fond. 1 little duck came swimming back, paddling fast on a watery track. Then came 2, then 3 once more. Happy ducks swam to the shore. 4 little ducks flapped with delight, feathers shining clean and bright. Splashing fun was almost done. They cuddled close in the setting sun. 5 little ducks stood in a line, quacking softly, feeling fine. Home